Picture this. You wake up on a Monday morning, check your phone, and see money flowing into your account from 5 different sources while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the truth. Relying on one income stream is like building a table with only one leg. The moment that leg breaks, everything crashes down. Today, we're breaking down multiple income streams in the simplest way possible. Imagine someone who worked at the same company for 8 years. Good salary, comfortable life. Then came the layoffs. Their single income stream disappeared overnight. Now, imagine someone else. Same full-time job, but they had a side business selling digital products. They invested in stocks. They rented out a spare room. When their company downsized, they barely felt it. Why? Multiple income streams. The difference wasn't talent or luck. It was strategy. There are 7 main types. Let's break them down. Stream 1, earned income. Your job, your salary. You trade time for money. Simple, reliable, but limited. Stop working, money stops. Stream 2, profit income. Buy low, sell high, keep the difference. Buy something for $50, sell for $200, that's profit income. Easy. Stream 3, interest income. Money your money makes. Put it in a savings account, the bank pays you interest. Small, but passive. Your money works while you sleep. Stream 4, dividend income. Own shares in companies, they pay you quarterly. You own a tiny piece of the company. They share profits with you. These payments often grow every year. Stream 5, rental income. Own something, people pay to use it. Rent out a room, rent your car, rent equipment, rent a parking spot. Simple. Stream 6, capital gains. Buy an asset, sell it later for more, keep the difference. Buy stocks at $10, sell at $50, that $40 difference is yours. Stream 7, royalty income. Create once, get paid repeatedly. Write a book, make a course, record a song, upload a video. Do the work once, it pays for years. So, how do you start? Months 1 to 6, keep your job strong, add one side stream, just 30 minutes daily. Months 7 to 12, start investing that extra money. Even $50 monthly helps. Year 2, scale what works. Maybe add rental income. Year 3, optimize everything. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. Avoid these mistakes. Don't try everything at once. Focus wins. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start messy. Don't quit too soon. Give it 6 months minimum. Don't spend that first extra money. Reinvest it. Don't ignore taxes. Learn the basics. Real example 1. Full-time teacher, tutors online 2 hours weekly, invests that money in stocks, sells courses online. Result? $2,000 monthly extra. Real example 2, software developer, built a small app, invests heavily, rents out a parking spot. Result? 4 income streams, building wealth steadily. Real example 3, freelance designer, sells design templates, has a stock portfolio, co-owns a rental property. Result? Financial stress gone. Here's the magic. These streams multiply. Your side income funds investments. Investment returns fund your next venture. Everything connects. Each stream makes you more secure, confident, and free. Your action plan right now is step 1, write down your current income sources. Most people write one thing. Step 2, pick one new stream to build, just one. Step 3, 30 minutes daily for 30 days. That's it. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Multiple income streams aren't about getting rich quick. They're about building security one stream at a time. You don't need wealth to start. You just need to begin. 1 year from now, you could have 3 streams. 5 years from now, complete flexibility. Or stay where you are, hoping nothing breaks. Your choice. Start small, stay consistent, build one stream at a time. Now, go make it happen.